Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can empty OneDrive recycle bin. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, the first thing that you need to do is go to File Explorer. So I'm going to go right here to File Explorer, or if you don't find it here in your taskbar, just go to the Source menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Open. And then once you open it, you're going to be right here. Here in the left, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find Home, Gallery. Here you're going to find OneDrive, Desktop, Downloads, and so on. Go ahead and click on OneDrive, and then you're going to be right here in this page. So basically, guys, once you're here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of your folders. And if you right click on OneDrive right here, as you can see, guys, here you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open in a new tab, open in a new window, pin to quick access, pin to stars, convert to zip file, and so on. And here you're going to find OneDrive. If you click on it right here, as you can see, guys, you can view it online. Here you're going to find settings, and here you're going to find folder color. Go ahead and click on view online, and then you're going to be right here in this page. So basically guys, once you're here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find my files, recent photos shared, and here, as you can see guys, you're going to find recycle bin. Go ahead and click on it, and then once you click on your recycle bin, right here you're going to find all of the things that you deleted. And basically guys, if you want to empty your recycle bin, just go ahead and select the elements you want to delete, then click on delete, and then they're going to ask you, are you sure? Then just click on delete again. And as you can see guys, now we emptied the recycle bin. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.